Hey guys, it's Brittany, and if you want to see how I refresh my mini twist using BRIOGEO hair care, keep on watching.
Take her higher, higher.
Now to start out, I am going to use a little bit of hair oil on my hair and scalp to ensure that I will have the easiest takedown possible, as well as using scissors to help take down the rubber bands so that way I don't tug on my hair too much, how you see right here. Now that we've completed our takedown, let's get into the washing process. Today I'm using BRIOGEO's Curl Charisma. It has rice amino and shea, and it is meant to curl and define your hair, which is right up my alley because I have been dealing with some heat damage. At first it was due to certain hairstylists on set, but this go round it's due to me and my negligence of my hair. So TLC is definitely needed. According to their website, their key benefits are that it's hydrating, curl enhancing, and it's infused with nutrients that seal the hair cuticle, block out frizz causing humidity, and enhance moisture retention to support consistent curl formation. Oh, and it's vegan friendly, so shout out to that right there. Since this is a mini twist refresh, I'm being very mindful on how I am washing my hair because I don't want to accidentally undo any of the twist and lose my parting. So I'm making sure that I focus on the scalp without neglecting the rest of my hair. By this time, I could already tell that my hair was getting so soft and it made me very, very happy. Moving on to the conditioner, I was not expecting it to be so hard to come out the bottle, but I guess that is a good thing. It is very thick and creamy. I'm fully aware that conditioner bottles say to leave the conditioner on for a few minutes, but because I am an African American woman with natural hair, I do not follow those rules. So I put on my cap, well, my shower cap, and I left it on for about 10 minutes, which was absolutely insane because I do have their deep conditioner. But oh well, this company is owned by a black woman, so she should already know we're gonna use it like this.
Okay, Ryoji. Y'all see that?
At this point, I'm in love for reals because it helped restore my curl pattern and my hair felt so soft and hydrated. Anywho, it is time to rinse out the conditioner, and of course, you must rinse out your conditioner with cold water. It helps to close the hair cuticles and pores on the scalp. I know it's a process we don't love to do, but do it. After suffering in the cold water phase, I'm going to take my microfiber hair towel that I got from Shop AOA for like $1 to $2. I'm going to use that to wrap my hair and gather my other hair products to start getting ready for the actual retwist. To retwist, I'm using their chia and flaxseed coil custard, and a little bit truly does go a long way. What I love most about this is that I can tell that it truly conditions the hair, it smells good, and also it had some pretty good slip to help me detangle this, because you guys, my hair started locking at the root because I decided to put my mini twist in Bantu knots. So be mindful if you guys put your twist in Bantu knots, there's a slight possibility it just might lock up at the root. Anywho, this is how I twist my hair. I wanted to give you guys a good little twist tutorial on how to do a mini twist if you don't know how. But clearly I twist like I'm braiding hair, and it was just an epic fail. However, just keep practicing. Maybe watch another tutorial that has the easier two-strand twist method, because I don't know what be going on over here. I even had the bright idea to slow it down in this next clip right here, and I think it just made things even more confusing. This is the part when I'm so excited to be on my last twist, and then that smile slowly fades away because I realized, bro, I still gotta do my hair. I gotta style it, oil it, because it's watch night and we gotta get to church, and I am running on a short amount of time. Regardless of that fact, I think that these twists are coming out pretty juicy so far, especially with the amount of heat damage that I have. But we're not finished here. We must apply some of my mama's homemade mango butter to my hair just to help lock in some of that moisture. And I like to warm it up on my hands as much as possible and then gently apply it to my hair. Usually I will just rub this into my hair, but since, we got a little fresh what the heck did I just say? Oh my gosh, let's try that again. But since we got a little fresh retwist, we have to be very gentle. And since this is fresh hair, I'm applying some clips to help weigh it down so I can style it and it won't shrink as much. And also, I gotta add some of my mom's famous hair oil. I don't really know all that she puts in there, but all I know is when I use it, I get results. But you can use any hair butter or oil you have at home. For styling, I decided to go with a half up, half down hairstyle with these makeshift bangs because your girl's hair is still too short. But that's okay, I feel very beautiful in it, and I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I'm Brittany, and thanks for watching.
Take her